What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm here to do another quick review on MSB, my software biz. With this system, it allows you to collect $200 commissions over and over, share a number, let our AI and human success coaches close sales for you that pay you 100% commissions. $200 automatically bill you a monthly residual income. Okay, simply sharing a phone number. Check this video out and I'll be back with some more info.
Can you imagine how much simpler and more enjoyable life would be if you could learn how to effortlessly make money using the internet? Did you know that there are people just like you making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars every year, and all they do is sell other people's products online? There's no better way to take control over your own human experience than by taking control over your money. And with my software business, we help you do exactly that. All you have to do is share a phone number with others who want to make money online, and our powerful AI text messaging sales assistant makes $200 sales for you 24/7. You've never seen an easier and faster way to make money, so get started today. MySoftwareBusiness.com. Let technology set you free.
Yes. Okay. So let technology set you free, guys. I am on the page that you're going to receive. We all get our own sales page, and you'll have yours with your specific phone number that you're going to promote. Here's mine, 239-579-3543. Go ahead and give it a call from your cell phone so you can demo it and see how it actually works. Automate it. It actually will walk you through the whole process of setting up your system just like this, simply just using your smartphone. You don't have to have a computer to set this up. Okay, so the $200 commissions, how can you receive those? Any way you like. I'm going to show you the options in the back office in a second. Just wanted to show you this page. And then there's a frequently asked question section on this page as well, guys. I really like this program. Easy way to promote it, just sharing your number. Let this video do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to explain this stuff. That's why they created these sales pages with sales videos. Just get people to your website and then it'll do all the selling and telling for you. Let me show you the capture page that I'm using, the whole sales funnel. And it captures the leads, the names and emails of all my prospects, and then it's going to send emails out on my behalf for the next couple weeks to follow up with those people to remind them about the program. Okay, let me show you mine. Hang on one second. Okay, here's the capture page. Earn $200 instantly, no selling, just promote a phone number, make money with your smartphone, fully automated, gets instant results. So all my prospects will put in a name, email, and number here, and then the emails are going to go out for me while I'm out doing, whatever it is I'm doing, living life. It will follow up for me. Okay, that way it will weed out all the people that's really not interested. Now, how do you promote this? You can run ads. Okay, you can mail postcards. You can do text message marketing. There's tons of ways to do this. Social media marketing. Okay, so we'll show you how to do that. You decide which method probably is going to suit you best. Okay, what you're comfortable with, and that's what you should go with. Now you can also get some drop cards, guys. You may have seen me talk about drop cards before. You can get some drop cards and do this when you're out living life, going to the grocery store, going to get gas. You can drop these $100 bill drop cards along the way. They look like real $100 bills. People will call your number. If they're interested, they'll follow through with the system. If they're not, guess what? they won't, or they'll just throw the $100 bill back on the ground, which is what we want, so the next person can pick it up. Okay, so it's just many ways to do this, but don't overthink this. Just get in, get started. Guess what? It's only $250 to get started. That's the other thing. It's very affordable for the masses. $250. Okay, 50 will go to the company, 200 will go to your inviter. Okay, and then it comes already locked and loaded with 1,000 credits, because when people call the number, that uses credits, right? So it's gonna come locked and loaded with 1,000 of those ready to go. So all you've got to do is start promoting it. Okay, so let's take a look at the dashboard. Okay, here's the dashboard. With the dashboard, it shows you what your credit balance is, because remember, you're going to need credits to promote this. I'm going to start pushing this program a little bit more. I've got a lot of other projects that I'm working, but I kind of haven't really been promoting it a lot, but we're getting back into it. Okay, because I definitely love the platform, and $200 is nothing to sneeze at to be able to make those commissions over and over instantly. So here is your dashboard. Shows you your sales, how many sign-ups. Sign-ups, a lot of times where people have created an account and they haven't made their payment yet. But the dashboard is here to show you all that, so you know where you stand. It also shows you your phone number. This is my number. Then it also, if you click here, web link, it gives you your link. Okay, so all you got to do is promote either one of those. Get people to the capture page. I recommend the capture page because you want to collect leads. Okay, we are in the lead generation business. I know we're also in the making money business, but leads is what turns to sales. And if you don't have a system that's going to follow up with your leads, you're leaving money on the table. Okay, so my link is in the description, www.mobilemarketing.ws. Go check it out, check that funnel out, see how it works. So in the dashboard right here, everything is right here. Pending payments. Click here for resellers. You'll see your commissions. You'll see your team. You'll see your leads. All the phone numbers that have dialed you. My other thing that I love about this is this marketplace. So when people join you, they can see what else are you promoting. Okay, that you can promote within this system. So you go here and let me just show you. This is what your new signups, your new members are going to see this. See, it says recommended software and opportunities. So when people join you, they're going to see, oh, there's TaxBot. I've heard all about that. They're going to click there, and guess what? Your link is going to be in there. They're going to see Yes Machine. If you've purchased that, your link is going to be there. They're going to see Unlock with Elevation. Your link will be there. If you purchase these, I have Unlock Elevation I'm a part of, and TaxBot I'm a part of. So my link is already in there. Okay, so when people join me, they'll see what the other opportunities are that I'm a part of. And that's a possibility. They may sign up with those as well. All from you promoting one number that can lead to these other opportunities. Okay? Now, as I stated earlier, it's a simple setup. When you call my number from your phone, it's going to guide you. The artificial intelligent bot is going to guide you. You're going to get your phone number. Here's the steps, and you'll see them as you go through the process. Get your phone number. The system is going to assign it. Step 2 would be get and stay connected. Set up your payment methods and your profile. You're done. All that is very simple from your smartphone. Now, what options do you have to receive payments? So let me show you that. Okay, you just go here, click on your profile, and it gives you what options that you can accept payments with. PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Apple Cash, Bitcoin, which I need to add mine in there because I have Bitcoin, Zelle, and credit cards, guys. So there's various ways to receive payments. You don't have to list all of those, but as many as you would like, just list them here. Now, as I mentioned previously in one of my previous videos, I do have ad copy for people that's interested in placing classified ads, Craigslist, or any classified ads. I'll give you some of those ads. You can get you some drop cards. You can get 100 of those for free. That will get you started. But I'm here to assist anybody that's serious about getting started making money online. And if you'd like to be a part of this MSB, my software business, join my team. call this number 239-579-3543. Look forward to working with you guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I've got a couple more programs I want to introduce to you guys. I have gotten started in the crypto space. I'll put that link in the description if you're looking for a way to make passive income without any marketing. This company will do all the trading for you, and you collect your coins, if you will, your coins every Friday. I'll put that link in the description as well. So thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.